Very sorry about the interruption. Lunch came in. Anyways, I think about it. I think we'll do the first vid comic as well. I still got time for it. I'm not sure about the PS3 version. But overall, if I don't have enough time to do both Arcadia and the vid comic, I can just do them later. The vid comics I will not be repeating until like titanium bolts and skill points and all that stuff. Alright. The high with wings. The nose we can get later. Yep. And if you already bought this color, you can get again for free. Lowrider. Ooh, okay. Albani orange. Let's get it. And we upgraded the Infector's Sun. Not a whole lot though. And we also got the Plasma lit to level 3, and now it's a bluish color. Ooh! We also got a little more level 2 upgrade in the N60 Storm. We also got the Suck Hands level 3. And we also got the Spinning Hydra, and I tried it out a little bit too. Pretty good weapon overall. Is it really worth 40,000 volts? Vid comic time. Let's do this.
Watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
Ooh, Quark's interested. Or what we think is Quark. Because we have the Cord vid comic and it has its own little gimmick. I find really interesting.
These are the real-life adventures of Captain Quark, the greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known.
Hey, this thing on?
Meticulously reconstructed by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball. In the early days of the 5th Solarian equinox, the Solana galaxy was terrorized by a notorious pirate known as Captain Blackstar.
Ahoy! Anybody else got a craving for fish and chips?
Though still in the prime of his youth, Captain Quark was already a living legend.
I was beating him up with a stick.
However, no previous adventure could have prepared Quark for his encounter with the dread pirate Blackstar and his crew of... Oh, please tell me this is a typo.
That's robotic pirate ghosts. Guess reading wasn't your subject, eh, Professor?
Right. Now we begin the interactive portion of Episode 1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder.
That name makes absolutely no sense. Okay.
You just picked up an officially licensed Quark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize.
And I won't spoil what the secret prize is.
Bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Quark tokens.
And there's actually a secret version of the first comic, and that'll show off, I think, near the end of the project. Informing Skull. And yet, there's also a skill point in each vid comic. And I'm really bad at the vid comics, especially the later ones in the game. All the way back. Okay. Yeah. Again, I'm really bad at the vid comics, so give me a break. Oh my god, where do these flaming skulls come from, bro? What's with all these rats? red quirk tokens are 10, blue ones are just 1. And I think there's only one more specific color quirk token, and I don't remember what it is. It's been too long, man. You rats. We can call an exterminator on that.
I was saying a giant robotic space eel haunts this ship. Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Sheesh, got a blaster. And these quirk comics I won't get till the very end for one reason. The quirk comic skill points, they're probably the hardest skill points in the entire game to get. A lot of them have really fast, precise moving. Oh, I almost rolled tokens now. I don't remember what all the tokens are. 3, 4, 5. Ah, damn it. Well, this is the first big comic, so this comic's really easy though. It's all good. 96, 97. There we go. And for 100, all getting all the quirk tokens, we get a titanium bowl, which is really nice and awesome. Now let's finish the level. And
A nice juicy hell of an upgrade. Remember, cadets, there's one in every level.
yep. You gotta move really fast for this robot eel fight for this game. Space. Whoa. Damn straight. It's all the way back, don't I? Alright. I think I got the camera now. 6,000 volts. Not bad.
I mean, I worked at some real junk, but this one takes the cake. Wow, those robots, oh, we're idiots.
Hey, Professor, snap to it.
Once again, the citizens of the Solana Galaxy owed their lives to the dauntless courage of the remarkable man behind the cube. With great reluctance, Quark accepted a meager fee for his services and promptly donated the entire sum to the Quark for Tots Scholarship Fund, a charity providing makeovers and buxom bimbos for needy people named Quark.
Or you playboy.
Yes, I got the fruit basket, thanks. Turns out I'm allergic to prunes. Yeah, who knew? What? Blackwater City's under attack? Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
The exciting, all true, right adventures of Captain Quark continue in episode 2.
From a big
Hey,
comic.
this dressing room isn't fit for a pig. What kind of shoddy production are you people running?
That's him, all right.
He may need a while to adjust. I've got a mission that's perfect for you two. We've just learned of a prototype holographic device that can disguise the user as a Tyrannoid, even allowing him to speak Tyrannese.
Is it just me, or do you smell bananas?
Anyway, the device happens to be the grand prize on this week's Annihilation Nation. Check it out.
Tonight on Annihilation Nation, we feature an all-new Death Force. Let's meet tonight's victim. Contestant, Fred. Fred is a Gagatron accountant who claims he once had a mortal ray go off in his pants. What a chance. Let's take a look at what he's up against. Doesn't look too bad now, does it? Good luck, Fred! Next!
Didn't even move 2 inches.
Another day, another death course.
I'm really excited for that. But that's going to be for next time. I will see y'all in the PS3 version.